We're digging a dry well. This dry well is going to be 10 by 10 by 4 feet deep. And we're going to run a 4-inch solid line 180 feet out to the catch basin on the corner. So it's a very simple job. We're going to be using, of course, the Kubota. We've got the trench here. A straight shot. Look at the consistency of the soil that was dug up by the trencher and how deep that trench is. So this trench is 185 feet long and is progressively deeper as it approaches the catch basin. And here is the hole for the dry well. The soil is going to be distributed around the yard where it needs it most to correct the grade, so nothing's being wasted. And this dry well, when we're done, is going to have a capacity approaching 2,000 gallons. From this view you can see it's just a long straight shot. We're going to connect into the 8-inch drainage line that dumps right into the city catch basin. Probably about a foot or two before the curb. We've got 2-inch clean stone. A banana peel? Very nice.
Dame la puta vez. Allá anda ya. 5 pies que quede para tapar.
5 pies. Ya.
Y ahí.
Ahí ya sé.
Ahí el piso.
Ya.
Más para acá. Ay, perdón. ¿Ando grabando para allá?
Ya vamos a hacer Juanito. ¿Usted qué quiere?
Juanito, ponga una rampa allá.
Ahora sí. Son más buenos que esta perga de coche. Los dientes son más finos.
Okay then. So here's how our dry well's coming along. You see it's lined all sides, top and bottom. We're also going to leave some. Let me stand up here on top of this dirt mound just for a better perspective on everything. So this yard, basically whenever it rained, it was a lake. And the deepest point of the lake was right here where we're installing this dry well. So we're going to have a straight shot with this overflow line going directly into that city catch basin. And that's basically it. Now we're going to redistribute this soil when we're done. And yeah, things are moving along. Okay then, we found the pipe we're going to tap into. We're just going to drill a hole right in there, tie right into it, and then we're going to cement around it with the PVC. And the fellas are digging the trench, just adjusting the grade. We drilled holes in the bottom of the drain box to allow water to enter the dry well. Also, the nails are going to allow, or prevent rather, the dry well from floating up, which is a common problem.
Ahí van metiéndolo tú. Yo creo que vamos a usar 22, Juan.
22.
Ahí está ahí el socio.
Okay then.
Dame ese pedazo.
Entero nos da. Entero nos dio. Mira.
Métale. Ahí está. Hágale.
Saquémosle de nuevo, Juan.
Déjeme meter el huevo. Déjeme meter el huevo. Ya está.
Ya está.
Sale. Ahí.
Ya.
4 para adentro.
Más suficiente. Ahí cogeremos la caída ya de una vez y ahí ya dejemos. Que puta, y aquí para allá abajo no hay caída. Nada, ahora, por Dios. Ahorita yo parece que salí, pero con el hombre. Él me dice no hay y yo estoy de nivel. Si sales de ahí ya tenemos. Vengo. No tiene.
Pisa ahí, Juan.
Eso. Pero ahora que hay más te mete la piedra. Sí, espera. Y aquí.
Quiere
Y
avanzar.
aquí. Ya le metimos una vez aquí. Con...
Aquí. Hazlo. Qué chucha.
Mira. Cuidado la mano.
Ya, déjame ver. Voy.
Acá más
Aquí estoy, aquí. Métale en el frente. Con la caída que tengo aquí, está bien. No le haces nomás. Ahí.
We adjusted the height of the box.
Ayúdale, Juanita. Más.
O ahí está bueno.
Más norte.
Con la cabeza.
Box is in place and we're grading out the soil. All done.